Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Property Management 101, and today I'll be discussing good practices to keep in mind for anyone that is a maintenance supervisor for the first time. If you've already done so, please watch my disclosure video as well as my why I do this video. And if you found this video helpful and learned something new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. First of all, congratulations in your new role as a maintenance supervisor. I am very happy for you. It's a great role to be in. You have a lot to learn from different types of leadership positions and dynamics to different things when it comes to training. So it's a fantastic role to be in. It has so many possibilities that it can branch out from this. So first of all, congratulations and thank you for allowing me to be a part of your journey as far as training and developing and evolving into this role. Number one best practice to keep in mind for a maintenance supervisor, admin. This position is going to have a lot more administrative related tasks than your prior role, maybe as a maintenance technician or something else. You really want to make sure you're balancing your administrative items with your work orders where it doesn't hurt the property's dynamic. So most of your every single day, you're going to have some administrative related items. This could be closing out work orders. This could be spot checking to ensure that work orders, nothing needs attended to them. This may be looking and overlooking staff's payroll, clocking in and out, PTO, auditing what you have in stock from a supply perspective. It could be numerous things, but your administrative tasks are going to grow dramatically compared to your previous roles. A good chunk of your day is going to be spent on this side of the position. Number two best practice to keep in mind as a new maintenance supervisor, high level thinking. What I mean by high level thinking is before typically as a tech, most of your job was focusing on completing a work order quickly and ensuring the grounds were in a good condition. Now you have a much higher level thinking and mentality this job holds. So what are the long-term goals of the asset with the maintenance department? How does the maintenance department align with that? What are the labor costs for your staff? When does it make more sense to hire a vendor than completing the work in-house? For the next 10 to 15 days, what are the scheduled move-outs and are we prepared for them? What month historically have we averaged the most amount of move-outs and what month do we average the least? These are some of the questions that, that high level thinking that I would encourage you to think about and know and find out and consistently be aware of as a maintenance supervisor. And the last thing to keep in mind as a new maintenance supervisor is training. What and when does the staff need to be trained? Do they understand all the software to the site? What professional goals does my staff have and how can I, as their supervisor, help align them to get there? Is there any continuing education that is required for them to take, as well as myself, that we need to stay on top of? These are some of the questions I would make sure that you're consistently aware of and acknowledging and addressing as a maintenance supervisor. I wish you the best of luck in your new role. If you do have any questions about this video or any of my videos, feel free to comment in this video and I'll be happy to address them for you. And if you did find this video helpful and learn something new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Happy leasing.